What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you will see here today we made $75 on TSM, but we'll get into it later. I am bag holding TSM in one of my accounts right now. Year to date, that puts us up $66,136. If you look on just this month, I've made $29.40, and then overall, just for the year, $66K. We had a nice trade on Tesla yesterday where we were able to make $1,700 on Tesla. It was definitely good trades. We went in and out scalping them, and maybe I should have stuck with them today because let's get into it. I'm bag holding TSM. All right, guys, so here it is. Here's my position in TSM right now. I got the level 2 up right here. Underneath it, you can see TSM is trading at $187.84 at the recording of this video. I bought 250 shares at $190. I'll break down why. And I didn't follow a stop loss, so this short-term trade is turning into an investment, it seems like. Now, we'll just see. We're going to manage the trade. We'll see where it goes from today. If it shows weakness breaks low a day, we'll definitely take the loss. But we definitely let it get out of control here. As you can see, the unrealized losses right now, we're down $555. So we definitely have to keep an eye on it and see if it breaks 186.9, which is low of day. All right, so when TSM was trading off, this is the Webull platform here. It's easier to show the videos on this. You can see the timing on the bottom, see 9:29. As I moved this candle at 9:30, it started selling off from 193. I was thinking we're going to trade that 190 bounce. That's what I was thinking. Sold off, was keep selling off. And if you zoom out a little bit, you can see it just continuously sold off. Didn't get to that 190. I was still waiting for it. It was kind of showing, resistance. I was thinking, okay, here's your bear trap right here. It's showing slow momentum selling off. It's about 950. I decide to buy right there. It just starts selling off. I said, okay, let's hold on to it. It's holding 189.66. Starts popping up. I said, okay, I'm going to hold on to this position. All it's got to do is break VWAP, which is this yellow line right here. It rejects VWAP, and it just continues to show weakness. I should have took my loss at one point. Didn't happen. Now we are bag holding, and we're just kind of watching it fade away throughout the day now. So that's kind of where we're at. It wasn't a good trade. Definitely try to learn from it. But if you look and you zoom out a little bit, I mean, buying at 190 down here, you could see that there was a clear sort of, bear trap, selling off. But we'll see. We're going to have to keep an eye on it. I want to review the portfolio. We made some adds to it as well. We're definitely continuing to dollar cost average. But this is where we're holding right now. And we'll see if TSM can get above the 188.5. This is where VWAP is, the volume weight adjusted price. But for now, I kind of expect it to break low of day, and we'll cut the loss here at 186.83 if it breaks this low. All right, guys, so as you can see, this is the YouTube portfolio. I added to Celsius stock. We now have $1,229 invested at a cost base of 30.84. This stock has continued to show weakness, hit a new low of around $25. So as we build more cash each week, we will add more to this position, even though it is definitely our worst performer right now, down almost 11%. Probably more as the day continues. Nike, we added $500 to, so we have $1,500 added to them at a cost base of 75.33. So we're up 1.84% on them, still holding. Alibaba, if it starts to come down a little bit more, I will add to them as well. I want to get them up a little bit more to $1,000 cost basis. For those of you that don't know, this is Fidelity's platform. This shows my cost basis at I put $519 in at Baba. Starbucks, we have $1,000. We're trying to build these positions, but it's difficult for me to mentally add to these positions when I'm up so much on some of them. Like Google, I'm up 20%. I don't want to add to it because I have one share at 149.30. Tesla, we are up 113.9%, which is we only invested $500, but we're up 567 right now, just holding. Home Depot, we want to eventually add to it as well, but we're up 24%. So we got to wait for some pullback. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average my $250 every single Monday and the YouTube revenue into FSPGX. And this fund is growing. Now keep in mind, I know you see two FSPGXs. That's just because this margin, this account right here in the bottom one, eventually every month gets absorbed into this one. So it's really just one fund. So they act simultaneously together. All right, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please hit that like button, share, subscribe. Appreciate all you subscribers. Check out my Twitter, check out my TikTok. I definitely try to post some videos on that as well, just to draw more viewers to YouTube. And definitely check out my playlist here. There's basically playlists on Fidelity Index Funds, ETFs, Vanguard Investments, my Trading P&L 2024, and much more. So definitely check that out. And then check out the community channel as well, where I just post like different things, different stocks I'm holding, etc. All right, guys, just wanted to show you. This is the Twitter I created on X. So I have Trading Simplified up here. Look for the symbol Trade Simplify 7. And then I post some of my YouTube videos on here as well. And then just things I'm watching throughout my trading day. So definitely keep an eye on this as well. It's in real time as we're trying to trade. So definitely just trying to open up and see what else is out there. But check out the channel. I like to offer a little bit on the Twitter, YouTube, and now TikTok.